Hello, my name is Emily Dickerson, and I'm a junior in the Scientific Research Program at Islands High School in Savannah, Georgia, and this is my 2021 Science Fair presentation. Studies have shown that eastern bluebirds nesting on golf courses show higher survival rates than those nesting off of golf courses, and this is possibly due to the fact that those people on golf courses know more to avoid the nests, and that the nests are typically placed in locations that aren't very regularly traveled by humans. And bird feathers can be good indicators of bird health and bird survival rates. And feathers can also be grown better during times when resources are more easily attained, so that's another possible explanation as to why feathers are a good indicator, because you can see by the bird feathers how easily attained the resources are and how much the bird was able to get it. Several nests were sent to Islands High School in 2020, and they were taken apart, and all the components were taken out, separated, and categorized by things like fecal matter, eggs, feathers, seeds, and even human substances such as cloth were found in the nests. Data was used from this categorizations, and it was used to correlate things found with survival rates. Now, the feathers in particular, they were measured using rulers, and the feather lengths were all recorded into a notebook and compared with survival rates of the nest box in particular. And there was no significant difference between feather lengths. However, lower feather lengths do seem to signify lower survival rates. And this could be because, like I said, eastern feather lengths show how easily attained resources are, so perhaps birds with lower feather lengths weren't as able to get higher resources or better resources, so that's one possible explanation. And bird success are determined by many factors, including predator abundance and, like I said, nutrient abundance and vegetation types, and things such as brood parasitism, or when one bird species lays their egg in another for that other species to raise it. And those are all different things that could affect bird survival rates. The data from this experiment does not show a direct correlation between feather lengths and survival rates. And a possible future experiment to this topic could include one that examines the effects of nest height, possibly even feather mite abundance, on survival rates of bird species in the savanna area. And feather mites are an insect that can they basically latch on to bird feathers, and so they take the nutrients and like the dust and all of that off of the bird. And I'd like to give thanks to Cameron Clark and Allie Baldwin, my two unofficial partners on this project. And I'd also like to thank Islands High School and Chatham County for funding help in this experiment. And I'd also like to thank Sarah Lucas at Skidaway Island, who helped with